Did you know a lift kit can completely change how your Jeep Gladiator feels, looks, and even how confident you are behind the wheel? Seriously, this one upgrade can turn a stock-looking truck into a trail-ready beast overnight. Today, we're breaking down the 3 best lift kits for the Jeep Gladiator, comparing them head-to-head so you actually know which one fits your driving style, your budget, and your off-road goals. All the links are in the description, so let's dive in and see which lift kit truly deserves a spot under your Gladiator. Number 3. Rough Country 2.5-inch Leveling Lift Kit, Expanded. If you want the fastest and most affordable way to fix that factory rake and give your Gladiator a tougher stance, the Rough Country 2.5-inch Leveling Kit is hard to ignore. It lifts the front end just enough to level things out and clears up to 35-inch tires, making it a popular choice for daily drivers who want better curb appeal without diving into a full suspension overhaul. Compared to the Tavasky 1.5-inch kit, it offers noticeably more height and tire clearance, and when stacked against the ReadyLift, it's way cheaper, but also less refined. Installation is straightforward and can usually be done in a driveway with basic tools, which is a big win for DIY owners, since the kit reuses factory springs and geometry. Alignment requirements are minimal, keeping overall costs down. Ride quality stays close to stock, though you may notice a slightly stiffer feel over bumps, especially if you're running heavier wheels or towing. Off-road, it's perfectly fine for dirt roads, mild trails, and weekend exploring, but it's not designed for high-speed desert runs or technical rock crawling. Bottom line, this kit wins on price, simplicity, and visual impact. It's ideal for Gladiator owners who want a tougher look and modest capability without committing to a full suspension system. What do you think? Worth it for the price? Number 2. Rough Country 3.5-inch Suspension Lift Kit, Expanded. Stepping things up, the Rough Country 3.5-inch lift is where looks start meeting real off-road capability. This kit goes beyond spacers with tuned front springs, rear spacers, N3 nitrogen shocks, and even an adjustable track bar, something you don't usually see at this price point. Compared to the 2.5-inch Rough Country kit, this one feels more planted at highway speeds and far more confident on rocky trails, and it completely outclasses the Tavasky kit in suspension control and durability. This is the kit for Gladiator owners who want noticeable height and trail performance without jumping into premium pricing territory. The added suspension travel improves articulation, while the adjustable track bar helps recenter the axle after lifting, an important detail many budget kits skip. Installation is more involved than a leveling kit and may take a full day, plus a professional alignment afterward, but the end result feels much more complete. Ride quality is firmer than stock, especially over potholes or expansion joints, but it's not punishing. Compared to high-end systems, you'll feel more feedback through the chassis, yet for the price, the trade-off is reasonable. If you're planning to run 35s or even 37s and actually use them off-road, this kit delivers serious capability without draining your wallet. Number 1. Tavasky 1.5-inch Front Spring Spacer Set, Expanded. The Tavasky 1.5-inch front spacer kit is the definition of budget-friendly, and while it takes the top spot in affordability, it's the most limited in overall performance. It's designed purely to level the front end, giving your Gladiator a cleaner stance and just enough clearance for slightly larger tires. Compared to every other kit on this list, it offers the least height, the least hardware, and the least off-road protection. No bump stops, no shock extensions, no geometry correction. That said, simplicity is exactly why some owners choose it. Installation is quick, often under 2 hours, and it requires no special tools or additional components. Because it doesn't significantly alter suspension angles, ride quality remains almost identical to stock. making it appealing for city driving and commuting. Fuel economy and handling stay largely unchanged, which budget-conscious owners will appreciate. However, its limitations become obvious the moment you push off pavement. Tire size increases are modest, suspension travel is unchanged, and aggressive trails are off the table. Still, if your goal is purely visual, eliminating factory rake and giving your Gladiator a slightly tougher look, this kit does the job for minimal cost. Just don't expect it to compete with full suspension systems. Final verdict, the overall winner. So which lift kit actually wins when you look at features, ride quality, capability, and long-term value? The ReadyLift 2.5 inches SST lift kit takes the crown. It delivers the best balance between comfort and performance. Beats basic leveling kits in suspension control and avoids the stiffness and complexity of taller budget lifts. While Rough Country wins on price and aggressive height, ReadyLift wins where it matters most, how your Gladiator feels every single day, on road and off. All the links are in the description, so check them out and see which one fits your build.